Hi, Adam Sweet here from Sweet Music Studio. Today I just am going to lay down the track for a bluegrass tune that a student of mine is learning called Roll in My Sweet Baby's Arms. The chords are 1-4-5, the 1-4-5 chord pattern in the key of G, and are G, C, and D. So I'm using the big G, um, the big C, and the D that I like. And it's 16 bars repeated, I think. A, B, B, 32 bars total in the key of G. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Lay round the track till the milking come back. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Chain round the chat till the little train comes back. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. One more time. If you want to learn a bit more about taking lessons with me, head over to my website at sweetmusicstudio.net. Thanks for watching.